So in the springtime, I need you to know something. It's important to look at your asphalt that's in front of your house or your commercial building, and if it's beginning to crack, to consider what to do with that. Consider us as part to what to do with that, of course, but let me lay that out a little bit for you. That the cracks that are in your parking lot, they can be repaired, and we can slow the process of that degeneration down. Imagine a crack opening up and water going down in there. That creates issues with the base underneath. The base is what holds asphalt up. Asphalt doesn't have its own strength. It relies on the base underneath it. So we need to keep that base rock as dry as possible so it'll remain stable. The other thing is that in the spring of the year, it's really important to do as much crack filling as possible in the spring because the cracks are open, they're wider. The asphalt and the ground around it has not expanded and closed those cracks back up to some degree. They're as wide as they possibly can. If we do the crack filling in the spring in a cooler time of year, then we get more material in there and it's far more effective.